Most students pee on their pants while trying to solve this difficult question. Can you solve it? The question says, find the values of m given that m cubed plus m squared is equal to 1 all over 8. Well, our first step will be for us to clear this fraction. And we do that by multiplying through by 8. So 8 times m cubed plus 8 times m squared, and this is equal to 8 times 1 all over 8. Very good. So this becomes 8 times m cubed is 8m cubed plus 8 times m squared is 8m squared. This is equal to 8 times 1 all over 8. This 8 can cancel out this 8, leaving behind 1. Very good. Now let's move this one to the left hand side. So we have 8m cubed plus 8m squared. And when 1 moves to the left, it becomes negative 1. And this is equal to 0. Very good. Now we can simplify this further so that it can be factorizable. So we have 8m cubed. Now let's break this down. 8m squared is the same as 4m squared plus 4m squared. Good. Minus 1. And this is equal to 0. Very good. Now notice that from these first two terms, 4m squared is common. So we can factor out 4m squared. Open brackets. 8m cubed divided by 4m squared. That will be 2m plus 4m squared divided by 4m squared is 1. Good. Plus, here we have 4m squared minus 1 equal to 0. Now let's simplify further. This is 4m squared times 2m plus 1 plus, now notice 4 is a perfect squared, m here is a perfect squared because it is m squared. So we can write this expression as 2m all raised to power 2. Very good. Minus 1, and this is equal to 0. Also, notice that 1 can be written as 1 squared. So we have an expression in difference of 2 squared. An expression in difference of 2 squared, let's say a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. If we have to compare, you notice that our a is this 2m and our b is this 1. So we can write this in this form. So we have here, we have 4m squared times 2m plus 1, and then plus, now writing this in this form, this is a minus b, so that will be 2m minus 1, and then times a plus b, that will be 2m plus 1. Very good. And this is equal to 0. Now notice something once more. Notice that 2m plus 1 is common. So we can factor out 2m plus 1. Now open bracket. Now factored out this, we have 4m squared remaining. So 4m squared plus, we've factored out this. So we have 2m minus 1 remaining. And this is equal to 0. So we have a nice factorization here. So we have two cases here. We have case 1. We have this, which is 2m plus 1 to be equal to 0. And then we have case 2. Case 2, we have 4m squared plus 2m minus 1 to be equal to 0. From the first case, we can move 1 to the right hand side so that we have 2m to be equal to, as 1 crosses to the right, it becomes negative 1. And now dividing both sides by 2, we have these 2 cancel out these 2, leaving behind m to be equal to negative half. Very good. So this is a real solution for m. So this is one of the solutions for m. Now to get other solutions, we move on to case 2. For case 2, we're going to be using the quadratic formula to solve, since we can't factorize this quadratic expression. So our a here is 4, our b is 2, and our c is negative 1. So using the quadratic formula is m equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's substitute here. So our m will then be negative b is 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so that will be 2 squared minus 4 times a times c. So 4 times a is 4, times c is negative 1, all over 2 times a, that will be 2 times 4. Very good. So this becomes m equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared is 4. Now negative times negative gives positive. Now 4 times 4 times 1 gives 16, all over 2 times 4 is 8. So this simplifies further into m equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 plus 16 is 20, all over 8. We can simplify further, so m equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 20 is the same as 4 times 5, all over 8. Very good. So this becomes m equal to negative 2 plus or minus. Now since we have this contained inside of a square root, they can be separated into the square root of 4 times the square root of 5, all over 8. Very good. So simplifying further, m will be negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2 times the square root of 5, all over 8. Now notice something. 2 is common on the numerator, so we can factor out 2. So m will be 2. Now negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. Now plus or minus 2 root 5 divided by 2 is root 5. Good. All over 8. Very good. Now notice that 2 divides 1, 2 divides, we have 4. So the value of m will be negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 all over 4. Very good. Now we can separate these two values. But remember, we've got the first value for m to be negative half. So the second value will be equal to negative 1, go with a plus the square root of 5 all over 4. And then the third value of m will be negative 1, go with the negative square root of 5 all over 4. Very good. So we have 3 total solutions for m. Feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.